to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve hidden carry number 90. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. The hidden carry number 90 was made of two different types of wood, Acacia and garapa, and this puzzle is named after Paul Carey, famous magician. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all 8 parts into the frame. At a first glance it seems easy since the parts are already in the frame, but this frame has a twist. It has two faces, and you have to fit all 8 parts into this frame, which has restrictions all around it. That means that when you put a piece inside and slide it under the restrictions, you will see that major part of the piece is covered. So you have to deal with it when you put all parts inside, since if you add a couple of more pieces and then more pieces, you will find that it is not so easy to fit the rest of them inside. So you have to find the correct assembling and then correct way how to fit all parts inside, since this puzzle requires some interesting rotations. If you like hidden carry number 90 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. First of all, I have to remove all parts from this frame, and I'm gonna show you how to put them together outside the frame and then fit them inside. So I will start with this piece, and we have to take a closer look at all triangles, small ones, since they are a little bit different. 4 of them are exactly the same, and one of them is a little bit bigger, this one. So we have to keep it on a side and solve the puzzle with the rest. This one is going to be one of the last pieces to put inside. So that's going to be like this. This quite tricky piece is going to be right here. And then we have just a couple of pieces left, which we're gonna put like this. Then this piece goes in here, and the last piece will go right in here. And that's the correct assembling. Now we have to put everything inside, but we have to do it in a correct order. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to fit parts inside. So I'm going to start with this small triangular, put it here, then this piece. There's only one way how you can put it inside. It's like this. There is no other possibilities how to fit it inside. And now put it right here. The next piece is quite tricky since it seems like you can't fit it inside, but you can do it like this, and then you have to rotate it and put it in a corner. That's the tricky rotation, which is not so easy to find. So the next one is going to be this corner piece. Then we have to put this part here. And the next pieces are going to be triangulars. We will fit one in here. Another one will go right in here, and we have just enough space to fit the last piece right in here. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, you have to follow the correct order, and you have to make sure that the last piece that you're gonna fit inside is not below the restrictions. That is the only way how you can solve the puzzle. If you like the hidden carry number 90, or you want to try some other great puzzles made by Pelikan or designed by Dr. Volker Latusek, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.